Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you Landr Mastering. Landr is an online platform that provides automated mastering services for audio tracks. Shape your sound and make revisions without disrupting your workflow. First things first, let's start by navigating to the Landr AI mastering website. Let's upload a track by clicking the Upload a Track Now button, or we can just drag and drop the file and patiently wait till it's done uploading. So the next thing we'll do is to click the track and compare the original version and Landr version. Let's try the original first, then followed by Landr Master version.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, we obviously noticed that the Landr Master version sounds louder, right? Now, let's explore more deeper into this process. As we notice, there are some features down below. There's a style and there's three options, which are warm, balanced, and open. The other one is loudness, which has low, medium, and high. Now, let's see what this style basically do. Let's go for warm first, followed by balanced, then open. Let's play it back to the top.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, as we notice, warm seems to have more focus, while balance feels neutral and open it feels like a widening of the sound. Now, let's go to loudness. First, let's hit the low followed by medium and high.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, as we noticed, there is a volume difference between the three. These settings allow us to fine-tune the master to our liking. The next thing is, let's try to click the reference beside the Landr button. What this reference feature does is, it allows us to import or upload a reference track. We can now upload an MP3 or any kind of track that we like. Let's give it a try by uploading the track as reference. Since it's done uploading, let's see what it did between our first track and the reference track that we added. Let's go to Landr version first, followed by reference.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, very nice. The reference is actually more open. It is quite not noticeable, but it is quite different. Now, applying the chosen mastering style and settings, just click the options or the features that we want to use. Then just click the Create Master button to download the file. And there we have it, a quick guide on how to use Landr AI Mastering. Landr is an online platform that provides automated mastering services for audio tracks. Start using Landr AI Mastering with the link below and discover more AI secrets at aiforcehub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels, and let's continue to shape the future together.